So let us solve this example of triple integration. So in this case, in this example, we have to find the volume bounded by some region, okay, in R3. See what is formula of volume. So we know that, I will clearly mention, we know that the formula of volume is very simple. It is triple integration over S and it is dz dy dx. So this is the only formula we have. There is no any function. Okay. So we have to use this formula and we have to solve the problem. Getting? So let us start with the given thing. Region bounded by here S is bounded by what have they mentioned? X square plus y square plus z square is equal to 25. Actually, this is equation of sphere. So this is a sphere with center. What is its center? It is standard pair. It's 0, 0, 0. And what will be its radius? Radius is 5. Since 25 is the square of 5. Okay, I will draw here. Z axis, y axis, x axis. Okay. Now, center is 0, 0, 0 and radius is 5. But what have they mentioned? Hemisphere. Hemisphere means half sphere, half. We will not consider a complete sphere. We will consider only half sphere and upper hemisphere. That means upper half. We should not consider the lower half. So the sphere will be like this. So radius is 5. I am considering here. And sphere will be like this. I hope you are getting. So this sphere we have. Okay, hemisphere, half sphere only. Let us go further. Z is equal to 0. You know that Z is equal to 0. This is a xy plane, right? So region bounded by hemisphere, region bounded by xy plane, as well as what have they mentioned? Laterally by the cylinder, x square plus y square is equal to 9. So this is a circle in xy plane. This is a circle in xy plane with center origin. And what is its radius? Radius is 3, since 9 is a square of 3. Actually, it's a cylinder having this circle as a base. So in xy, this is radius 5, no? So 0, 5, 0. So see, radius of hemisphere is 5 and radius of this circle is 3. That means this circle will lie inside a big circle, okay? And so we will have a cylinder like this. Getting my point? So see, region bounded, okay, bounded above by hemisphere, region bounded above by hemisphere, region bounded below by xy plane, and in laterally it is bounded by cylinder, okay. So that means below this hemisphere, bounded by this cylinder and bounded by xy plane, okay. So I will show you what will be the actual diagram. Let me remove it. Okay, I will show you what will be the actual diagram. It will be like this. It will be like this. Just a minute, x-axis, z-axis and y-axis. See, laterally by this cylinder, okay, bounded below by xy plane. This is a cylinder and bounded above by hemisphere. Okay, it will be like this. Bounded, this is a part of hemisphere. We are getting x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 25. This is cylinder. X square plus y square is equal to 9. So upper part of that region is bounded by hemisphere, laterally by cylinder and below by xy plane. So this is the thing we have. What will I do to solve the problem? I will convert this problem into cylindrical coordinate system. So I will clearly mention to convert problem into cylindrical coordinate system, we put, what we put, tell me? We put x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sine theta and z is equal to z. Then our dz, dy and dx will be r dz dr d theta. Right, this thing we have. So see, after substitution, after this putting, what we do? We convert all equations in terms of r and r theta and z, okay, and then we will solve the problem. So I suggest you to make a screenshot of it, and after that we will go further. So let us continue. What we have, what is the first equation we have? That is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 25. What we put, x is equal to r cos theta. So this is r square cos square theta. Y is equal to r sin theta. So r square sin square theta and z square is equal to 25. Correct? So r square, if I take common, cos square plus sin square is 1. So r square plus z square is equal to 25. That means z square is equal to 25 minus r square. This is the equation of this hemisphere. Okay. What is the second equation we have? Now, what is second equation we have? X square plus y square is equal to 9. So, x square means r square cos square theta. Y square means r square sin square theta is equal to 9. Can I take r square common? Yes, obviously. So, cos square plus sin square is 1. So, therefore, it will be r square is equal to 9. So, that means r is equal to 3. So, this is the equation of this cylinder. Okay. So, that x square plus y square is equal to 9 we have. Then we can easily find the limit. Then we want limits of z, after that r, and at the end theta. What will be the limits of z? See, if you consider z, okay, vertical z axis, bounded below, the region is bounded below by xy plane, that means z is equal to 0, and bounded above by hemisphere. But what is the equation of hemisphere? This one we have, right? We want z is equal to, this is value of z square, then z is equal to square root of 25 minus r square. What about r? You know that this is the circle. Okay, how we find the limits of r? We in polar coordinates, we consider a strip which starts at origin and rotate like this. Getting my point? So here radius starts at 0 and its radius is 3, radius of this circle. Okay, if you consider 2D, so it will be like this, having a radius 3. So radius is 3, so 0 to 3. If you're thinking about theta, to cover the complete circle, theta, limits of theta should be 0 to 2 pi. It should cover 360 degree, then only it can cover the entire region. So in this way we have got limits also. Okay. So let us go further. You can make a screenshot of it, and after that we'll go for a problem. So let us find volume now. So as I told you, what is formula of volume? Triple integration over S dz dy dx. But we have converted this problem in cylindrical coordinate system. So dz dy dx means r dz dr d theta. What are limits of z? 0 to root 25 minus r square. Limits of r 0 to 3, and limits of theta 0 to 2 pi. So integration 0 to 2 pi, integration 0 to 3. We will integrate with respect to z first. So r is a constant, will come outside. And what is integration of dz? It is simply z, 0 to root 25 minus r square dr d theta. Okay, let me remove this one. It is not required now. So let us continue. So this is equal to 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 3 r. I am going to put upper limit and lower limit. Upper limit is root 25 minus r square. If you put lower limit 0, we will have 0. dr d theta. See, we cannot solve this problem directly. Now we have to integrate with respect to r, but it is looking little bit complicated. But if we put in something, so problem can be easily solved. So what I am going to do, I am going to put 25 minus r square is equal to t. What is inside a square root? It is making it more complicated. So that's why I'm going to put it as t. See, what will be its derivative? Derivative of 25 is 0 since it is a constant. Minus 2r dr is equal to dt. So therefore, r dr is equal to minus dt by 2. So r and dr, okay, both terms can be combinedly replaced by minus dt by 2. So in this way we found out derivative, but we need to think about limits also. What do you think about limits? For lower limit is 0 and what is upper limit? For upper limit is 3. Tell me the values please. T is equal to. If I put r is equal to 0 here, so we will have 25. And if I put r is equal to 3 here, okay, if I put r is equal to 3, 25 minus 3 square, that means 9, which is 16. So therefore, volume is equal to 0 to 2 pi with new limits. What are new limits? Lower limit 25, upper limit 16, root 25 minus r square means what we have got? T, and r and dr, both of them can be combinedly replaced by minus dt by 2. And after that we have a d theta. Still we are not talking about theta and d theta. So we are simply carrying it. So we are thinking about just inner integral only. What will happen? That 1 by 2 is a constant, will come outside. So 1 by 2 will come outside. No issues. 0 to 2 pi. See, if you want to remove that minus sign, there is one more idea. What we can do? We can interchange the limits and that minus sign will get vanished. So this is one result. That means I will show you integration a to b. If there is minus sign, then you can write integration b to a by removing that minus sign. So this is the one property of definite integral. So I'm going to use it. Just a minute, let me remove it. Okay, so that's why it will be 16 to 25 root t, that means t raised to 1 by 2 dt, and after that d theta. So this is 1 by 2 integration 0 to 2 pi. Do you know integration of t raised to 1 by 2? Simple. Simply add 1 there and in denominator also. So t raised to 1 by 2 plus 1, that means 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 with limit 16 to 25 d theta. See, I have developed one habit. That is, if there are any constant inside the integration, I always take them outside. So we have a constant 3 by 2. So that 3 by 2 will come outside. But see what will happen, 2 will get cancelled. So that's why we will have simply 1 by 3. 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi. So I am putting here upper limit 25 raised to 3 by 2 minus 16 raised to 3 by 2 d theta. Okay, there is no more space, so I suggest you to make a screenshot of it. After that we will go further. Let us solve this integration. So therefore, v is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, so see, integration 0 to 2 pi 25 raised to 3 by 2, that means actually root 25 raised to 3. Since raised to 1 by 2 means root, we know. So minus, here same thing is here, root 16 cube d theta. So this is 1 by 3 integration 0 to 2 pi. What is root of 25? Root of 25 is 5 and its cube, that means 125. Minus here, root of 16 is 4 and its cube, that means it is 64. So d theta, and it is constant, so we can take it outside. What is its value? Tell me. Is it 61 by 3? Okay, integration 0 to 2 pi d theta. It's quite simple. What is integration of d theta? It's theta. 61 by 3 theta with limit 0 to 2 pi. I am putting upper limit, lower limit. 61 by 3, 2 pi minus 0. So therefore, phi is equal to, 2 pi, that means here 1 to 2 pi by 3 and cubic units it will be its unit. Okay, cubic unit. So this is a required answer. This is required value of given region. Okay, let me remove it so you can make a screenshot of it. Let me remove this part. Okay, you can make a screenshot of it. After that we will stop. Thank you. Bye bye.